Alrighty, YouTubers, happy 1st of the month. It is October the 1st. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a little cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. And in case there is any description or any discount codes, it'll be in the description. So check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. I do believe this comes from Cool Buying. Oh boy, here we go. Let's see what they have. Got the web. There we go. Bam. Bam. There we go. What do we have here today, guys? Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa. What do you know? This is coming from... Smart bracelet. This might be from GoKoo. Yep, this is GoKoo smart bracelet. Alright, I'm gonna have to take this one off. Here we go. And we got this right here. Heart rate. Move the heart start right now. Alright. Different colors. This is the black version. I said sports steps. Take this to the gym with you during your workouts, especially with you guys in school right now with fall sports. This will help you guys during training. What is a nice size? Unveil. Bam. There's the motion sensors. How do you turn this thing on? Probably gotta charge it. Alright, alright, alright. What is this stuff? And that must be the charger, the cradle, and then USB. Usually it's like here. Yep. Hope I did it. How do you charge this thing now? That's the side. Give me one sec. Oops. Okay, this is how you're supposed to have it. Sorry about that. But in case you want to know how to take off those bands and replace them, that's the way. Easy to put back in, as you can see. But here's the clamps. No. And then all you gotta do is clamp these two, even it up right there. Plug it in USB. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back right by my USB port. Plug it in. Make sure it's the right one. There we go. There it goes. See, it's charging right there. Pretty cool. We'll give it a few seconds. I wanted to show you that part, and then we'll move on to the next. Should be easy to set up with your smartwatch, or you could just do it using it on its own. So when you guys got some free time, check them out, YouTubers. Great company on Amazon. Get one of these smartwatches in no time. Just let me grab. I think it's good enough charged. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Calories, burning calories. I like the colors. This is really updated. SpO2 steps. Cool. Oh, messaging. Let's see what's the setting. Just gotta press. Okay. So messages you could get. Oh, there you go. Stopwatch, find phone, Bluetooth, power off, reset, settings. Oh, this is nice. Got the time, you can set the time and everything, the date, October 1st. Yeah, you guys could get one at a low cost. That's really nice Christmas gifts for like a stacking stuffer. Easy to fill in. I don't know if you guys still do stackings, but this would be a good one to get. Yep, there you go. To activate it, you just gotta hold it in. 1, 2, 3, like 4 seconds. Go 1, 2, 3. You can change it back to that either. Messaging. Really cool. I'm going to charge it longer, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll show you guys some results using this. Until then, click on a link, check them out. It has that too. That's really cool. Alright, be safe, have a good one. See